Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. Today we're going to be making a pot of gold craft using colorful paper, scissors, glue or tape, and a pencil. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out equal size strips of each color of the rainbow. So you'll do blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, and green. Once you have each color cut out, you're going to start taping them together in loops like this, and chaining them together in the order of the colors of the rainbow. Once you finish attaching the whole rainbow, you'll get started on making your pot of gold. So I cut out a black strip of paper that was the same size as the other ones, and I used that as a guide to see how big I needed my pot of gold to be. Then I used the pot of gold to see how much gold I would need to put inside. The last thing you'll need to do is attach your pot of gold to the bottom of your rainbow. And there you go, a pot of gold. Make sure you come back next week for a storytime episode, and check out the rest of our episodes on our YouTube or our Facebook. Slán, goodbye.